Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I just went and got new contacts put in, and my contacts will be arriving hopefully this week. I'm gonna turn around and show you stuff that I got from yesterday from Publix and today from Sam's Club, and that's about it. So let's get started.
I feel.
We got bananas. Go. I got pie crust. Got more pie crust. I got more of the Beyond Beef burgers. I love these. We got Hot Pockets for the kids. And that is it for my haul. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. I picked up some chips. The Tostitos. And then those aren't in here yet. Oh, they're over here. I got this Crave cereal, double chocolate and chocolate. This Simply Cheeto Puffs. Regular Lay's. Barbecue. Picked up this. Was it Taco Bell Cheddar Crisp? And then I just got another 3-pack of the Crisco pasta sauce. And then I grabbed Himalayan salt and some sea salt. I picked up some Canada Dry and Sprite. Over here I picked up a bag of red potatoes for Thanksgiving. Make mashed potatoes with. I picked up another thing of coffee. Frosted Flakes. Yes! And these Oreo brownie thingies. Alfredo sauce. Then I got these butter cookies I started buying every year for everyone. Velveeta cheese. These Oreos. And then what's in here?
Garlic.
Garlic.
We got some shrimps. We got some shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
We put one
Shrimp.
We put one of our 2 things of meat in here.
Frozen meat.
And then we got another meat in here.
Okay.
It's in this
I got it.
drawer.
Oh.
In this drawer. In this drawer.
So we have meat. There's that bacon and hot dogs. 3 things of almond milk. Butter I got from Amazon. I got those from Publix yesterday. Those from Publix. That is from Publix. These butters are from Publix. The green beans, carrots, scallions. What is that? Romaine. This is from today. This is from yesterday.
There's some cheese stuff right there.
Oh, that. We got that. What else we got? Potatoes. Whatever that is. More cheese. The turkey. I also got more pie dough, wherever that is. We got more stuff coming. Put the cheese in there. Nope, just leave it. Hey, put these in the trash.
expired.
So we got strawberries and a big thing of cheese. Might as well just also show what I got from Publix too. I got more kombucha down here. What do I have in here? I have this. I bought the Gardein meat chicken strips from Publix yesterday. I got these. They're okay from Publix. I got the tater tots from Publix. What else did I buy? Oh, I got another thing with Beyond Beef thing. I got more of these. Brussels sprouts. This is for, go put it in the refrigerator. Thanksgiving. Got a thing of shrimp. Already showed that. Quick overview of the outdoor freezer. Some of the stuff I got yesterday from Publix were the Silk Pumpkin Spice and then the Silk Dark Chocolate Peppermint. And I got the Chianti cheese, these 3 filled roast, the Chipotle smoked apple sage, and the bratwurst. And then we got more stuff. Oh, I got 2 of these. It's like a cotton olive hummus. Get your hand out here. Oh, we got more of these crescent rolls, apples. Oh, we got those.
Look, it's big. It's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's huge. Go eat it. I got this off of Amazon. That's it.